for today's exercise, we are going to do 4 exercises focusing on lower body, which is the first one is goblet squat, the second one is lunges and kickbacks, and then curl legs. But we're going to do the alternate.
Course.